Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this math problem. Okay, first we do this. 3 minus 5 gives us negative 2, and there is multiplication here. 3 minus 5 gives us negative 2, and negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 equals positive 4, but this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, after that exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses, and 3 minus 5 equals negative 2, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem, 3 minus 5, and multiplication. And here, according to this rule, first we have to work this part, and negative 5 multiplied by negative 2 equals positive 10, and 3 plus 10 equals 13. This is our final and correct answer. We can write it here. It equals 13. Thank you.